How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Toy Table. I'm your host, Steve, and there is one of my co-hosts, Bales, and I do have Ken, my co-host, behind me. He's just playing with some of his own cars. But until then, we are going to be doing some more racing. And there he is. He's playing with his cars on the couch. Ken, you want to say hi?
How did this get here?
What?
The orange guy. This guy. How did he get right there?
You put him there.
No, I didn't.
All right, without further ado, we have a lot of trucks still ready to go here. We are not halfway through round one. We did a little bit this morning. There are our winners. The losers are down there. The track is here. We got it jacked right up for speed. Then they go down, they hit a little bit of a hump and back down into the open road, and it is a race to the finish. In this round one, we are taking 2 of 4 from every heat to move on to the next round. Okay, I'm going to take this tanker. Ken, you want to pick some cars? I'll take the Matchbox. A whole bunch of Matchboxes and various Hot Wheels cars. Whoa. Okay. And we'll keep it simple. Take the Campbell Convoy. 3 Matchboxes versus the Hot Wheels. And our track is clear. And let's go racing, boys. Top 2 will move on into the bucket. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, the outside lane's big lead. And unfortunately, too much speed on this guy. Jumped the lane, lost the speed. And it's going to be the Campbell Convoy and the tanker moving on. Fast track today, eh, Ken? You want to pick 2 more? Ooh, I want to try this armored truck. The Ford 150. You want to pick 2? Okay. Whoops. All right, he's picked the airport shuttle and a tow truck. Very good. Here we go. Ken, you think your 2 are going to win? Move on. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, outside lanes once again. Oh, super quick. The armored truck and the tow truck moving on to the bucket. And the next round. I think what we'll do for round 3, once we vet these things a little better, we will open up for a choose your ride with what's remaining. Let's go with the SWAT car, ice cream truck, embosser. Or is that a backslider? I forget. Okay, lanes are loaded. And let's take this cute little tow truck here. Oh, raspy voice. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. And it's the middle lanes this time. Nice race. The SWAT and the embosser moving on.
Yellow guy.
What yellow guy?
What I was holding on to.
I don't know. The Dodge? Okay, I think this tractor's calling my name here. Let's take the water truck. Let's do a side tilt. Dump truck. Ken, you want to pick cars? And let's do the tree car. The tree lugger. Okay, here we go, Ken.
I don't want to.
1, 2, 3, go! Matchbox only race! And it's the water truck and I think this one. I was watching, but I forgot. Nice race. All 4 racers making it. No, not yet, buddy. You can't. I still gotta label some more. Maybe I'll do that a little later. Okay, let's do another side tilt.
Can I
The tracker.
one of these cars? Some more. Can I have one of these cars yet?
I don't know. You weren't really letting me use any of your cars. Ford F-150.
No, I'm gonna share.
Oh, you're gonna share now? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! I'll see which car you want. 1 sec. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Wow, I don't even know who won. This is gonna be tough, guys. Which one do you want?
I really like this one.
Okay, you can have that one. Put the other ones back.
They're very gently because they're very new.
That's the one you wanted.
Oh!
Oh.
They're very gentle because they're very new.
All right, we're gonna try that one again. Same cars, different lanes, but I think I've got to slow down this track because I can't catch up to them. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, different result there. Got the glass truck and the side tilt. Moving on. Okay, I'd say we're about halfway through round 1 now. A lot of trucks. I gotta say, the finale of this is gonna be close. Seems that most of the heats have 2 really front runners and 2 laggards. But those front runners, when we pin them all together, once we pull them out of that bucket over there, we're in for a treat. 1, 2, 3, go! Look at the HW.
That's scaring me.
What?
They were so fast. That's scaring me.
Well, they're not gonna hurt you. Okay, there we go. All right, this golf cart's gotta go. Why don't you participate in the racing? We got the city bus.
I want to play my toys.
Okay. Well, you should know when we're going because I'm always saying 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, come from behind to get into second. Nice job there. Grader truck and the bus. It's weird. It's tough taking 2 cars because it's easy to know the one. I always forget which one came second, so I may have made a mistake on that one. Okay, we got the heavy duty truck, Jurassic Park. This thing, what do they call that one? Toe Jam. And the Camo Convoy. 1, 2, 3, go. Up and over the hump. And it's the Camo Convoy and Toe Jam moving on to the next round. Alright. Have you guys seen the surfer one of that? I don't have it yet, but I've seen someone with it. I will be hunting it down. Let's do this other tow truck. I think this one, oh, this one's going to be a tough matchup. I think these 2 are going to come out on top. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, and my prediction was right, but I knew this guy was going to be right on their heels. 5 alarm, fortunately loser. And the skater lost connection with the track, not able to do the whole lap. That's why it's kind of a little bit of a speed trap race. You don't want to be too fast. There is a speed limit out there today. Okay, that truck, another camo, the Petro truck, and let's go with the grain hopper. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, 2 come from behind. He lost control. The other 2 trucks drove right around, and oh, there must be grain all over the track. Okay, let's take these 2 and these 2. I think one's a Honda Ridgeline, the other one's a Colorado? Yeah, Silverado, that's it. And then we got boat truck, and one of those. I think it's a Toyota. All right, track is clear, and we are set. 1, 2, 3, go. Next, the 2 pickups out in front. Nice job by the pickups. Thanks for coming out, guys. Pickups are moving on. All right, let's take this bump around the bus, fire truck, and another fire truck. Starting to whittle down round 1 there, Bales. Love that bus. Okay, let's see whether the bump around can make the whole way down. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, he's keeping up. He's in second place. Oh, I don't know. I think this guy just beat him at the end. Gonna have to check the slow-mo on that. I could use your help, bud. What are you working on over here?
Playing fancy cars.
Yeah.
These guys are driving around because they're waiting to go, to get this line up the clear so they can drive around here and then they can go on the pile.
Sweet. Yeah. Oh, is that what they're doing? They're waiting to go around and back into the pile?
Yeah.
Until you get them out again?
Yeah. But
do you know what's at the bottom of the pile?
It's this. It's this. Yeah, it's this part.
What's this one?
It's the same one. What this? The same one as the other one upstairs.
All right. Well, keep working. Keep working. All right. Oh, I forgot about this one. The Pepsi car. Pepsi truck. Let's take him. School bus. Bus and ambulance. You're racing? Okay. Ambulance. Bus. School bus.
I think I'm in a race right now.
And the Pepsi truck. It's Atomica, guys. One of my favorites in the whole basement. A little bit of wonky wheels, but I think it should clear this heat.
Hey, Mom!
Oh, you're going to do it?
We have to.
No, you don't open it up.
We have to.
But it does open, guys. But we're not going to race him like that.
Yep, we have to.
Why?
Because it looks like a bird. It looks like a bird.
All right.
Tweet, tweet.
Okay. Well, will it fit in there next to the bus? Okay, that's how it's going to go, I guess. You're going to start it? 1, 2, 3, go. Unfortunately, a 3rd place finish on the Pepsi.
It's the Pepsi.
No, he lost. It is the 2 buses out of that heat.
Can I drive him around the city?
Sure. Okay, let's do another bus. The Volkswagen thing here. Another Escalade. And the Combat Medic. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, the Combat Medic lost connection with the track, and it's these 2 here with the win. As cars are starting to go everywhere. I thought I had high hopes for this guy here, but he lost. He had too much speed. You got to be a smart driver to do this track. All right, we got an NYPD tow truck there. Some kind of a food truck. Thomas. And what's this one called? Foam fire truck. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Right 2 lanes, even neck and neck. That one was easy. Okay, tow truck, camo, 6-wheeler, and an embosser heading up to the top of the track. And we are ready to go. 1, 2, 3, go. Down the track to go up over the hump, and it's going to be the tow truck and the Campbell convoy moving on to the next round. All right. We got one of those custom vans. Chevy Avalanche. Police. And what are the, oh, the Hollinator. Super close there for second and third, but I think the Tundra or the Avalanche took out that van. Super close. It's not often we have 3 cars fighting for that line, but that time we did. I'm thinking if I open it up to two going on, I'm gonna have a tough time deciphering the 2. Oh, it's gonna even out too. Look at that. 8 left, 12 cars left. Can you do me a favor, Ken?
What?
You pick up that car.
Which car?
It's halfway down there. Here. Oh, thank you. What do they call this one anyways? Volkswagen Transporter or crew cab. We got a McDonald's thing, and that one is going to be the favorite in this heat here. 1, 2, 3, go. Out to the lead, just as I said. Oh, he came second. Woo! The last something. Sweet looking truck. Edged out that fire truck just by a little bit. The only Maisto to make the field right there. We got a big, heavy Mack truck. Heavyweights. We got a moving truck matchbox. And a semi-hauler. I think all the other semi-haulers have been successful. This is going to be a tough heat, folks. 1, 2, 3, go. Look for those outside lanes to take it. And for sure, we got the big rigs moving on, Ken. Okay. Oh. Yeah, 4 cars is tough. Gotta get rid of 1. Boom. 5 alarm. Oh, the police. Alright, I think the 5 alarm fire truck's gonna be the first one out of this one, folks. 1, 2, 3, go. Sure enough, big lead up and over the hump, and it's gonna be the prison bus as well. 5 alarm prison bus, moving on to the next round. Moving on to the next round. Okay, folks. I will see you here in a minute. I'm going to take all these cars out and put them back on the table. We're going to do a little show and tell of what's left. And then we'll see you next time for round 2. Hang tight, guys. All right, good job, Ken. Nice job. Oh, no, he's sad because I still have his golf truck there. He's kind of hoping that one doesn't win so he can have it back. But here's a look at what's left.
Dad, why do you have my trucks?
Because I borrowed them. It's a truck race. Look, off. And then we got the glass that we saw race this time.
What about my trucks? Are they going to go into a wind?
No. I think we're gonna do a separate video here, but I'm gonna race round 2 now. and we're gonna take the top 2 from each heat. So we're gonna be saying goodbye. We're gonna be saying goodbye to half of these racers next time, and we'll see whether this Ford Raptor here will make the next level. And then I think for round 3, we're gonna open it up for a little choose your ride, and we can have some fun with you guys on a live broadcast. But until next time, hopefully we'll keep this Ken a little happier. Until next time, keep those tires pumped.
Or some.
All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.